In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate documentation from comment for Solidity. So if you don't enjoy writing documentation, what you can do is to comment your code. We just have to follow the Natspec format. It's very straightforward, as we can see right here in this example. And right below, we can also see what it means for each tag. And once that our code is commented in this way, we can generate the documentation with Forge. We need to install Rust first, and then we install Foundry. To update the package, we just have to run Foundry app again. To generate the documentation, we run Forge doc. If we want to generate and serve it in the same time, we can run with serve and port arguments, like what I have did right here. Let me run it again so you can see how the docs file gets generated. And then if we go to localhost, we can explore the documentation. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.